Welcome to Two Cooks in the Kitchen. We are making a Tarragon cream sauce to go with some crab cakes. This is a simple version of this. It just has there's a little butter melting in the pan. I have about 2 cloves of garlic all chopped up. We bought a thing of tarragon and we froze it, and it's been in the freezer for 6 years. And I chopped it up because this time of year tarragon can be really hard to come by. It seems like always when I want it, it's not there. So we froze some, and then it's been there every time. A 1/4 cup of white wine. We are using a Rombauer Chardonnay because that's what we have. If we'd had a good Sauvignon Blanc, that's what I'd be using. And we happen to have a cup of heavy cream left over from a different project. So we're going to use that up. And it's juice of 1 lemon, but these lemons are from our trees, so it might take 2. So what we're going to do is, over here in our pan, we are going to saute the garlic. And we don't want this to get browned really, we just want it to cook a little. And so we'll come back when something's happening. All right, so we've got our butter cooking now, the garlic. We're gonna add the wine. And we're going to have to bring this back to a boil, but I think I'm going to put the cream in first, and then we're going to let this just cook and reduce for about 10 minutes. And of course the wine and the cream are cold because they've been in the fridge, so it'll take it a minute to come back up.
Yeah, careful though, you don't want to scald your cream.
No.
You got 1 shot.
So you do want this to just simmer on a low heat as it reduces. And,
that might entail moving to that back burner.
okay. All right, so our sauce has been cooking along here for roughly 10 minutes or so. I'm going to add the lemon juice. This is a mild sauce, but you know, it's just not a lot of ingredients. I was thinking that a little Dijon would be good in here, but the lemon's going to perk it up quite a bit. And we don't want to hide the flavor of the tarragon. So we'll put that in there and let this keep cooking. And it's just on a nice slow cook here. And let's see what we're getting here. See if it needs salt. I think it does. We'll put in a little bit of salt. It's about 1/4 teaspoon. And pepper is a good thing in here. If you had white pepper, it wouldn't you wouldn't have the black specks in your sauce, but it's going to have green specks anyway from the tarragon. So what's a little black specks too? So we'll just let this keep cooking very slowly until our crab cakes are ready, and that's our sauce. We're going to put some of our lovely sauce on them. This is a tarragon sauce. Tarragon Cream Sauce.
That'd be good on salmon.
Well, I think we're gonna have some left over, so.
I know, but it would be really
Yes,
good
it
on
would.
some other fish too.
Mm-hmm. This was also recommended for things like pork.
That's enough for me.
Crab cakes with tarragon sauce. Dungeness crab cakes with tarragon sauce. Tarragon cream sauce. So, thanks for watching Two Cooks in the Kitchen. Subscribe to our channel. There's a little button down there. And we'll see you next time.